Today I want to line this drawers, this right here, and also I want to line this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a shelf liner, and this is the shelf liner that I got. So this is the design for the shelf liner, and it comes in different various sizes. So this is how it looks like. It's a plastic and it has printed in there flower printed pink roses. So before you install the liner, you want to first wipe down and dry up the area. So I'm just going to wipe this area, and then we're going to measure the liner to make sure that it's the right size for the shelf that we're lining. So the drawers have been cleaned and they're dry. So now it's time to install. These are the pieces I cut out. So I'm just going to place it in there. And I'm placing, so there's the smooth part. There's a smooth part right here. And then there's a part that is kind of bumpy. So what I'm going to do is that the smooth part is the part that I'll lay in to line. So we're just going to put that in, and it fits perfectly like that. And I'm going to do the other one. So as you can see, the lining is really nice, and it's really pretty, and it goes really well with my girls' bathroom.